Hi everyone, I'm Vinka with Mountz Torque. We are here at the MD&M Medical Manufacturing Trade Show here at the Anaheim Convention Center. This is my first trade show. I am a business development representative, so I'm the first point of contact for anyone that wants to do business with our company. The trade show has been really fun so far, and I want to introduce you to our team.
Mountz, President and CEO of Mountz Incorporated, and I'm here to tell you why I love trade shows. First of all, we haven't had any in about 18 months, and we're back at our very first physical show here in Anaheim at the MD&M, or the Medical Device Manufacturing Show. And why do I love them? I love them because we get to talk to our great customers. Just this week, I had several customers come up, and we got to solve a lot of their difficult fastening and torque control problems.
Hi everybody, my name is Casey and I am the Demand Generation Manager here at Mountz Torque. I am in charge of many of our marketing programs as well as our business development team. Come by our booth today to see some demos of our awesome new tools, including our battery-powered DC control tools and our new FG line. See you guys here.
Hi, my name is Dave Cash. I'm the Marketing Application Specialist here at Mountz. I help to create content, do live webinars, and help to explain products like this. So if you come to the show today, you can see how you can help to improve your process and error-proof your assembly.
Hi, I'm Chris Morris, Product Marketing Manager at Mountz. Come join us at the show today. You see automation equipment like this to solve any fastening issues you may have.
Hi, my name is Damian. I'm the Product Manager for Power Tools here at Mountz Incorporated. We're at the MD&M show here in Anaheim, California. We'll be very happy to see you here visiting us in our booth. Take a look at our new battery tools that we're promoting, DC controllers, monitoring devices. We got all kind of torque controlling devices in this trade show. So come and see us.
Thanks for stopping by.